On June 25th, MTI's 13-hour online Forex Trading Marathon event is where all traders looking to get more out of the market want to be. It's not just every day that you see these trading experts in one place, providing this much live market analysis, looking at setups and walking traders through their personal trading moves. For the first time in MTI's history, we'll see non-stop trading and in-depth lessons taught on the spot as they move their top trading lessons from theory to application in real time. Now, it's no question that Joshua Martinez would be here. This year, he's been on fire in this market, bringing in monumental wins, such as the more than 100% return on investment that he earned in one single month. Much of it earned while trading the London session. Frankly, these early morning live market sessions, where he analyzes and trades the live market to show traders how to create their own market success, is his wheelhouse.
I'm excited that I'll be presenting during the London session. It's when I can really get into the zone and I can really show how the market works. Now, there are so many powerful movements in this session, and I want to show all the traders out there why it could be one of the biggest earning sessions for them too. My preparation is simple. It's all about sticking to the rules that MTI has already laid out. And while I know people have seen my London Breakout Strategy before, you've never really seen it live in action as the market moves.
I'm personally excited to see Josh at his 2:30 a.m. start time. With all he's accomplished in 5 years of trading, I wouldn't want to miss it. Take a look at his stats. He created the London Breakout Strategy, developed the Trend Traders course, published in many trade journals, and making $10,000 in only 30 minutes. We are definitely keeping an eye on him.
I don't go into the market lightly. Anything and everything I do with my trades is full force, and that's the type of dedication and passion that I want to bring during my live portion of this trading event.
I think most of the traders who've been around a while have heard of the Man vs. Pip show. More than a few MTI history-making market setups came from that broadcast, and the energy in the room was always electrifying. I expect nothing less from the FX MVP himself, Jose Tormos, who begins 7:15 a.m. Wednesday morning, where he is going to explain his most successful trading strategy to the masses and to you.
Why you should join me in the US session? Well, I'll tell you why, because we'll be live, baby, live. The US Market Open is a great time to get in the action. I'll be attacking the market using my Man vs. Pip system and strategy. Come join me in the US session. As I teach you, I will show you. I will share them with you, and I will show you live how we take advantage of the markets before the markets take advantage of us. There's a reason why they call me the MVP of Market Traders Institute, because in the game of Man vs. Pips, this strategy is proven to help man come out on top.
And he's not lying, folks. These stats speak wonders to the fact that he's been able to make a name for himself in the trading game. That brings us to Jeff Watkins and time-tested auto trading systems. You see, Jeff Watkins isn't always on the front lines. He spends time talking to traders one-on-one in his mentorship. After a small hiatus from the broadcast game, he's coming back in a big way with the hottest trading systems to come out this year.
I've seen the system results for myself, and I personally had to do a double take. They're incredible, and I know Jeff feels the same way.
I know very few people who want to be in front of their charts all day. I mean, who has time for that? I personally love systems because they can really act as your trading game manager to help you know which trades to look at so that you can set and forget your trades and get back to living your life. The FX Annihilator system that I'll be showing off has been dominating the markets right now. The FX Annihilator has an 80% winning average, and it's not slowing down.
That's not impressive, that's almost unheard of. With that analytical mindset and the ability to trade without being glued to your charts is definitely something people would be chomping at the bit to learn about.
Coming to you live from Lake Mary, Florida, it's the FX Chief, Joshua Martinez.
I'm going to make this brief. Each of these individuals are incredible analysts, but we all know why we're here. There's a saying that goes like this: when a person with money goes up against a person with education and experience, after everything is said and done, the person who has the education and experience will end up with the money, and the person that had the money ends up with the experience. I want to be honest with you. I lost $400,000 in this market in a matter of 5 hours. That not only taught me what didn't work, but more importantly, it taught me how to create the strategies and techniques that do work time and time again. I'll teach you how to end up with the money through my experience. Many traders lose money, but not all of them learn how to make it back. The beautiful part about educating yourself in how the market works is you learn how to make your losses back and then some. I'm confident that in my over 20 years of trading, I've developed insight that could save you both time and money in trading this market. That way, you can learn how to take advantage of this market instead of this market taking advantage of you.
Joshua Martinez in the London session with his market breakout strategy. Jose Tormos with the man vs. pip system, tackling the live market. Jeff Watkins starting the afternoon with the FX Annihilator trading system. And none other than the FX Chief doing his thing on the crucial trader's psychology. Now you know that these guys are ready. The question is, are you? The countdown has started. Make sure that you reserve your spot before seats run out. As for us, we'll see you at the Forex Trading Marathon.